of our show Little Superstars here on NTV Houston. Unique इसलिए because on today's episode we have a छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. अब इसका क्या मतलब? छोटा पैकेट से मेरा मतलब ये है कि the little superstar today is 16 months old little boy. So अब ये 16 महीने का बच्चा क्या टैलेंट बताएगा यहाँ पर आके, वो देखने के लिए तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा पूरा एपिसोड. Now please put your hands together and help me welcome Krithvik Rajaram with parents Aishwarya Rajaram and dad.
मस्ती के उड़ाते हैं, चमके धूम मचाते हैं, आए पढ़ने का वक्त तो रिकॉर्ड हम तोड़ जाते हैं. हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार.
Hello Aishwarya, how are you doing today?
We are doing absolutely great. I think it's all something new.
Right,
I'm
of
so
course.
excited, like being a part of the show. As a parent of Krithvik, and he's just 17 months.
Right.
So I'm really so excited.
Of course, and you should be because he is a talented little boy here. I can't wait to see more of his talents. Of course, you discussed some over the phone and I saw some videos, but I'm super excited to see him do stuff here.
Yes.
So tell me this, how was your reaction when you found out that he was going to be the youngest superstar on our show?
So first I was a bit nervous, you know,
Of
like
course.
he's a baby, he never sits like even for 5 minutes, he's not gonna sit. So I don't know like how we are going to manage all those things were running in our mind. But one thing that was like giving me constant hope is it's like we are going to be hosted by the most elegant person and the most talented host.
Thank
So I think that gave me a confidence. Okay, let's do it. Come on.
You totally caught me off guard. I didn't think that was coming out of. I thought you were going to say, you know, one thing that was giving me hope was, you know, his future or something. I don't know. And you.
I think, right from the minute that we entered the show, like you are making us so comfortable and you are so understandable. That is what is like giving me hope that we can finish the interview. Like,
We definitely can. So without further ado, I see that he's a little fussy. Krithvik, Kiko. Hi. Oh. All right. How about you play, okay? We'll be right back. Okay. So, you know, of course, kids, I understand completely. So tell me this, he is so good at everything he does. So how did it all start?
So this is what happened. When his parents, everyone left, like when his grandparents left, that was our turn. We have to take care of him, and the diaper changes was the most hard part. His grandparents, when they gave it to us, like they trained him, like they gave him absolutely no screen time. So we thought, okay, from now on, let's try like how long we can go without no screen time. So the diaper changes was the most hardest part. Whenever we put him down, he will immediately roll over and he will start crawling and he will sometimes like even run. So when we spoke to his pediatrician, she said, you know, like give him some color card. They will start looking at it, and when they were focusing on the card, you can finish the diaper change. That's where it all began.
Wow.
And slowly we started like, we gave him 1 card, 2 card, like I used to give him like Japan. Then I keep on saying Japan, 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 and I used to finish my work of changing his diaper. And one day what happened, like all of a sudden when I was bringing the diaper and the card bag, he got so excited and he ran to the chair and table, like he sat and he was like banging the chair saying like, you know, I want
Give
the
me
card,
the cards,
give me the
yeah.
card. Then I kept like 4 cards, and when I started naming the card, he started pointing out. And I was like, oh my God, baby, okay. I knew that from 9th month, when we show him the storybook card, like when we ask him like where is the star, he will point out the star.
Wow.
Those are all like understandable and relatable. And when we take him for a walk, like when we ask him like where is the fire hydrant, he can point it out. So those are all relatable. But flags, I did not expect
That
it.
is unique. That is unique. Wow. So you're telling me if you lay flags down, he can point which flag is for what country?
Yes, yes.
Wow. And how many countries can he do that for?
Now he can do like 60.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Very nice. So I want the audience to see what he can do. So is it okay if
Oh, absolutely.
Perfect.
Let's do it.
So आइए देखते हैं कृत्विक की ये talent where he can point out to different countries and point the flags accordingly. आइए.
Kiko Nepal ede? Nepal? Correct. Greece ede? Correct. England? Correct. Madagascar? Good job. Good job, Kiko. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Kiko, Bahamas ede? Bahamas. Good. Sweden? Sweden. Sweden kana? Correct. Belgium? Good job. Ireland? Ireland? That's a circle. Ireland? Ireland iti? Papa angarka. Kiko kana? Ireland ede? Mama is here. Mama is here. Kiko Ireland ede kana? Mama. Kiko Ireland ede katriya? Ireland? Good job. Good job. Good job. Good, Kiko. Good, Kiko. Good. Kiko, Vietnam ede? Vietnam. Good job, France. Good. Turkey. Good. Kenya. Kenya. Good job. Good, Kiko. Good job, baby. Good job. Hey, Kiko, here you go, Kanna. Bhutan ede? Correct. America. Good. Singapore. Good job. Switzerland. Kiko, Switzerland ede? Switzerland. Good job. Good, Kiko. Good job. Hey, here you go, Kanna. Mama. Kiko, Kanna, Sri Lanka. Kiko, Sri Lanka ede? Correct. Finland. Correct. Denmark. Correct. Pakistan. Good job, baby. Good job.
Well, that was amazing. I cannot believe a 16, 17-month-old can do that. I don't even think I can do that. Most of the flags, I was like, wait, what?
Same.
Can you?
No, not at all. I even get confused. Like there were few countries like Togo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Togo or Togo?
Yeah.
It sounds like T-O-G-O, so
Right.
it's Togo for me. But okay, he is doing it. And most interesting thing is like there are few countries where the flag just
They do.
looks so
Exactly.
similar. Probably white and red, and the other will be like red and white. And you know what? He can point these two and he will come and tell me this is here and this is also the same. Then why are you telling me two different names?
Wow.
I was like, okay, baby, you are smart. Okay.
That is amazingly smart. I am at loss of words here because of course I am a therapist as well, and I see kids all ages, right? So for me that was very surprising when you first told me. That's why I insisted that can I see the videos before we schedule the show. Man, your kid is super talented.
Thank you.
So what are some other talents that he has?
So he can do underwater swimming for 10 seconds. now.
Wow, okay.
And the other things are like he can do like shape sorting, like circle, triangle, all those things. And he can do like single puzzles, like match. If it is a chopper, then he can pick the chopper and put it at the chopper.
Oh, okay.
So that is something matching. And now we are training him for like if you keep the first half of the cat, he can keep the second half of the cat, second part. That we are still in the building stage.
Wow.
So yes, we are training him now.
So legit puzzles, like
Yeah.
first half and second half of the bodies of animals. That is crazy. Okay, so is he able to identify the animals as well?
Oh yeah, he can do all the farm animals, sea animal, and then like land animals like lion, all those things. He can also say like if you ask like cow, what does the cow say? Like moo moo, all those things. Like almost for all the farm animal he can do.
So how did you train him for that?
so there is no training
Right.
specifically. We basically, there is no screen time, so we have to kill the time. Like, so what I did, I just pasted all the posters around the home. Wherever he turns, if he goes and point at this, yes, Kiku, yeah, you know that's a cow. What does the cow say? Moo moo.
Oh
Okay,
my
yeah.
God, I cannot even imagine how you're doing without, like 24 hours without screen time. I would go crazy. Like, it sounds ideal, but I can assure you it's hard. Well, who am I to assure you? You are going to assure me. Dang, it's very hard. Okay, so about the farm animals, I really want to see him do that. So is it okay if we turn towards the camera and let him do his moves?
Yes.
All right. So आइए देखते हैं Kiku को, where he can recognize and pinpoint all the farm animals. Let's go.
Cow! That's correct, Kiku! Kiku, like a donkey and a... Donkey? Correct! Kiku, horse? Correct! Kiku, rooster? Rooster, correct! Kiku, duck? Correct! Kiku, dog? Dog? Correct! Kiku, sheep? Sheep? Correct! Kiku, hen? Hen? Correct! Kiku, pig? Correct! Now cow says? Cow says? Moo. 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 Good job.
That was mind blowing. I do not understand how you are doing this with such a young little boy, but hats off to you and your husband for training him so well with everything he's doing.
I think I just want to add my his grandparents as well. They were also helping us a lot. You know, like those days, grandparents, they used to be like, they have to entertain basically.
course,
So
yeah.
they used to point, say, see there, see this, see
Right,
that,
right.
and then like stars they used to hang, and so it's like a family.
So yeah, they were very
Everyone.
helpful to set
Yeah.
the stepping stone.
Yes.
Perfect. On that note, we're going to take a short commercial break. Break your spot. We're going to see a lot more talents that this little boy has. So kahin mat jayega and yahi bane rahega.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार।
I am Noor Shah. I'm a real estate consultant and the owner of Vogue Homes.
शुगरलैंड की सबसे बड़ी सुपरमार्केट अलरबा वर्ल्ड फूड 61,000 स्क्वायर फीट पर फैला देसी और विदेशी शॉपिंग के लिए वन स्टॉप शॉप
जहां ग्रोसरी से लेकर ब्यूटी सर्विसेज तक, बैंक से लेकर होम फर्निशिंग तक,
लोकेटेड इन न्यू टेरिटरी एरिया एट यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ग्रैंड पार्कवे
ये है वन स्टॉप शॉप डेस्टिनेशन।
अलरबा वर्ल्ड फूड फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन कॉल आमिर अली एट 512-652-8462
59 और वेस्ट बेलफोर्ड पर है नुक्कड़ ढाबा, जहां के मशहूर जमाना बॉम्बे तंदूरी चिकन, पहाड़ी बोटी, चिकन बोटी, चिकन चटपटा और बटर चिकन तो आप जानते ही होंगे। अगर आप बॉम्बे चाइनीज खाना आप पसंद करते हैं तो जरूर उनके चिकन लॉलीपॉप और चिकन चिली ट्राई करिएगा। और एनटीवी ह्यूस्टन का नाम लेने पर स्पेशल है $99 में कॉर्न सूप। सुबह 8 से लेकर रात के 2 बजे तक नुक्कड़ ढाबा आपकी खिदमत के लिए खुला होता है। For takeout and other inquiries, call 281-575-1178 at the corner of West Belfort and 59, Nukkad Dhaba.
मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट, जहां की फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स, स्पाइसेस, फ्रोजन फूड आइटम्स आपको सबसे अच्छे प्राइस में मिलेगी और हलाल ज़बीहा मीट भी मिलेगा। दाम मनपसंद, नाम मनपसंद, तो फिर क्यों ना जाए मनपसंद। Located at Wilcrest Drive, Houston, North Highway and William Cannon Drive, Austin, Texas. तो नाम याद रखिएगा, मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट।
When it comes to protecting yourself and your partners, all the information out there can be overwhelming. Visit our website. We are a free and confidential service striving to help you stay informed and stay notified. We are committed to a healthy Houston.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार।
Welcome back after the short commercial break. We're in conversation with the youngest little superstar, Kritvik, who is 16 and a half months old. 16 kilo, 17 kilo, same difference. Aye. So tell me this. So we have already covered several of his talents, but now tell me a little more about his swimming. You touched base on swimming before going on break. Tell me what was the inspiration behind it?
So, when he was a baby, like baby, yeah.
Right.
When he was like 2 months or 2.5 months, like we took him to a pool. So where his dad was swimming, and by seeing him, he started like kicking his legs. Then we were like, okay, so he is like kicking and he's showing some interest towards it. Why don't we talk to the people and see what we can do? And he is still a baby. Like I never went to the thought of like going for swimming or anything like that. Then like we took him to the swim class and he started showing interest. That what happened, like that made his bath time so interesting.
Right.
And he wasn't fussy during those bath time. So we thought, okay, let's just continue. Why don't we want to break it? And
so is he still in swimming lessons?
yes.
Wow, very nice. So what can he do underwater?
So he can hold his breath for 10 seconds in the water.
Very nice. Wow, so impressive. Okay, so at this point, I would like to see him sort some shapes. Is that okay?
Yes, of course.
Kritvik, Kiku, are you going to show it to us?
Kika, can you say hip hip? Hooray!
All right, आइए देखते हैं कीकू को shapes and colors sort करते हुए.
Triangle. Triangle, Kiku. Triangle. Triangle.
Yay! Good job.
Circle. Circle like this.
Circle, circle, circle.
Good
Wow!
job. Star. Kiku, star.
Yeah,
job,
you're so
good
smart.
job.
Yes.
Can you put the square? Square.
Square.
Good
Perfect.
job. Plus, Kiku karna plus.
You are so smart. Huggy. Am I gonna get one?
hug,
Nope,
hug.
still not. Nope, not getting it. Well, that was just phenomenal. The fact that he could sort those puzzles so quickly, and even the trucks and the ambulances, like how does his brain connects all these wires? No clue. So obviously, once again, hats off to you guys. You guys are, the way you are training him, maybe, I don't know, whatever you all are doing, some magic potion you're giving him. What are you doing?
Nothing. We are just killing our time, finding something to kill the time.
Right.
So
So are you at home with him every day, or are you working as well?
both of us work.
Okay.
So we take turns.
Okay.
So what we do is like, so I wake up early in the morning, like I wake up at 4, and 4 to 6 or 7 I work.
Okay.
Once he wakes up, then I go behind him and finish his breakfast and
Right.
everything. And then I continue my work till 12.
Okay.
And then his turn begins, like he goes to work and I take care of him till 7 p.m.
Wow, okay.
And by 8 he will go to bed. And after that it's like me time. So
Very good, very
then
good.
we have fun.
So a lot of patience, huh? I don't know. Once again, I really don't know how you're doing it. Okay.
I think I get inspired from my husband. He is the one who is motivating me. So I think I give all the credits to him.
Aw, thank you. And I see he's so helpful. He's been watching the baby this whole time while we are talking. It's hard. And I don't know many men who would be so supportive. They're like, okay, you do the interview, I'll take care of the baby. That is very nice.
Definitely. Like I actually, after my delivery, like within 2 weeks, I joined back my work.
Within 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
So like he was totally supportive for me. Like I think everything goes to him.
Yeah.
Whenever he
definitely.
is going to give me a green signal, that's when we are going to show the screen time. Then
Oh yeah, about the screen time. So yes, okay. So this little baby has not seen TV or screen time at all. He is almost 17 months old and अभी तक इस बच्चे ने TV को देखा तक नहीं है. Wow. So any idea when you'll plan on showing him the screen? No idea yet.
I think whenever my husband is ready, like
Okay.
I am ready to give.
Yeah.
I'm a game developer, so I think once he is going to get introduced to the TV, like he's gonna be like playing all
A
the
gamer.
time. Yeah, and I have to mention one more thing. Like, so I was a game engineer.
Acha.
So I was a part of Anthem game, and because like. So I was pregnant when it was in production state.
Okay.
So both of our name like rolled on the gaming credits.
Wow.
And the gaming
Anthem
game.
Oh, very
Yeah.
nice. All right. So if you guys are fans of the Anthem game, yeah, you know who was one of the people who produced it or made it.
Yeah, I was just a developer. I'm a
Developer,
producer,
yes.
yeah.
Still, but part of the team.
Yes.
That's amazing. What are we without a team, right? Yeah. Like I always say, my credit for this show goes to my team. Everything, more than 100% is what they do. I just come here and host. So yes, team is what matters. Okay, so wow, we have covered flags, we have covered sorting shapes, puzzles, and farm animals. Is there anything else your son can do? I think earlier you were mentioning land and sea animals.
Yeah, he can do the land animal, sea animal.
Okay, so really quickly, that's the last thing we're going to have him do today. So really quickly, let's go and see what he does there. Okay, all right. आइए देखते हैं कृत्विक को identify करते हुए land and sea animals.
Starfishing. Starfish, correct. Kiko, octopus. Correct. Kiko, jellyfish. Correct. Kiko, next one, the dolphin. Dolphin. Correct, baby. Good job. Next, whale. Wow, that's awesome. Shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Kiko, shark kenga kanna? Good job. Next, Kiko, sea turtle. We move slow. Turtle. Kiko, turtle. Turtle enga kutti? Good job, Kiko. Good. Kiko, crab enga? Crab. Kannama? Kiko kanna? Crab. Baby, crab. Giraffe engama? Gerald the giraffe. That's correct. Kiko, next leopard enga? Kiko, leopard. Good job. Next lion. Kiko, lion. Good job. Elephant, Kiko. Elephant. Good job. Next, fox. Good, Kiko. Correct, fox. Next, tiger. Tiger says roar. Roar. Kiko, tiger enga? Tiger, roar. Tiger. Correct. Rhinoceros. Kiko, rhinoceros. Good job. Kiko, bear enga? Bear. Kiko, bear enga? Bear, correct. Bear growls like that. Kiko, bear enga? Kiko kutti, bear. Kiko, bear enga ma? Bear. Kiko, bear. Kiko, seri monkey enga?
All right, so now that we have covered all the itty-bitty, minute things that your son can do, now it's time for the fun rapid fire round, which I wished I could play with him, but obviously not. So how about we play together?
Yes.
Okay, so this is very quick, okay? You have to go.
Yep.
All right, so who is more patient, you or your husband?
My husband.
Okay, who is more fun?
My husband.
Who is the good cop?
Oh, It's obviously my husband.
Really? And you're the
Yeah.
bad cop? So when it
Yeah.
comes to yelling at him, you are the one who yells?
Both of us don't yell at him, but he's the one who plays with him more. And obviously boys, so they get.
Kuch bhi. No. Usually girls love fathers more.
That's what I assumed when he was pregnant. When I got to know he's a boy baby, but okay, that's okay. Like he can have all the good things. He is so good.
Okay, awesome. So, okay, tell me this. This one may be not a rapid fire question, but according to you, what is the hardest part of raising a child in today's generation?
What is the hardest part?
Yeah, like
screen time.
Screen time, really? Okay, perfect. Okay, what are your dreams for your son? Of course, he'll have his own when he grows up, but for now.
For me, let him be a responsible citizen of this world. Nothing else.
Okay, if you could give him one thing, what would it be? Anything. Time. Oh. Okay, how did you decide to name him Krithvik? That's different.
So Krithvik meaning Lord Muruga. So we all like our god is
Believe in
Muruga.
him,
Yeah. So that's how we named him Krithvik.
Okay, and what do you think the challenges that this generation will face? Because of course your son is in this generation. So what do you think? What kind of challenges that they will face?
I think creativity. There is like since they are like more into iPads and everything. Even though my son is not watching the iPads now, but in future, he is going to be.
Stop, yeah.
So those time, like I think creativity, those.
Yeah, because really quickly, that's what me and my husband talk about as well. Because you know, pehle, when we were young, we would go out and do stuff, creative stuff out there on the floor, on the ground, and now the kids don't even know how to spend time outdoors. So yes. At this point, we are basically at the end of the segment. Thank you so much for coming. I wish we could have Krithvik for more longer, but obviously he's a little baby and he needs his playtime. So there he is. All right. So dekha aapne, age is just a number. If you have a child as young as 16, 17 months, or even 6 months or 6 days, if he has a talent, please, he or she, if they have talent, please bring them on our show, because you know what, the doors are open. As a matter of fact, show ka naam hi Little Superstars hai. Anyways, अगर आपने अभी तक हमें फॉलो नहीं किया है तो फेसबुक पर हमारा पेज फॉलो करें. It's Little Superstars on Facebook. You can always contact us at littlesupers@ntvhouston.com. This is me, Pooja, signing off with another unique episode here with Krithvik Rajaram. Bye.
दिल से दिल की बातें कहते हैं, सच के साथ रहते हैं, बस आगे ही बढ़ते हैं, ना कभी किसी से डरते हैं. हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार. रंग मस्ती के उड़ाते हैं, चमके धूम मचाते हैं, आए पढ़ने का वक्त तो रिकॉर्ड हम तोड़ जाते हैं. हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपर